Welcome, Grammar Pirates. We are going to be focusing on parts of regular verbs today. What does that mean? Well, stick with me and you'll find out. So, principal parts means the major elements of verb phrases. And there are 4 types of verb phrases. We know the first 2 already. Present tense, when something is happening right now. And past tense, when something happened earlier. There are 2 others, the present participle and the past participle, that we're going to be spending some time speaking about today. So what's a participle? A participle is a verb phrase that includes a helping verb. And a helping verb needs to add more information to the verb. In order to have a participle, you also need to add an ing or an ed to the action verb as well. So, for example, over here we have is walking, which is a present participle because we added the helping verb is, and we added an ing to the action verb. In a past participle, you're going to also have a helping verb, and you're going to have the verb, and you're going to add an ed to it. And we're talking about regular verbs today. So had walked means it's a past participle of something that I did earlier. So let's try and practice through these. You're going to underline or write down the verb or verb phrase and say what tense it is, whether it's past, past participle, present, or present participle. So number 1, the porcupine terrified the young boy. Number 2, Brian is pouring the water onto the flames. 3, Wendy had wished for an early spring. 4, Jack saves his strength. 5, the sun warmed his back. So let's see the answers here. So the porcupine terrified the young boy. That's past tense. Now, do you see how understanding and doing all of our steps 1 and steps 2 are still really, really helpful? So what's step 1? Good. Underline and label the verb. What's step 2? Draw the mast. So in question number 2, when you're underlining the verb or verb phrase, we have is pouring, because you see the helping verb and an ing, you know that it's a present participle. Had wished in number 3 is a past participle. It's a verb phrase with a helping verb and a verb ending in ed. Saves is present tense. There's no helping verb. And 5 is past tense. Again, there's no helping verb with it. There's just the action verb, so it's past tense. So hopefully this is going to help you a little bit as we're practicing and studying participles of regular verbs. Remember that a participle means that it's going to have a verb phrase. There's going to be a helping verb along with the action verb. So you want to practice, ask questions, be active readers, active note takers, and I'll see you later.